Hello students, welcome to online class. Today we will learn the subject science of 8th class, chapter number 6, composition of matter. So students, in the previous class we have already studied what is the types of matter and what is the states of matter. So we learn about the states of matter, solid, liquid and gas, and today we will going to learn types of matter. So in the previous class I have already told there are three types of matter. First is element, second is compound, and third is mixture. So example of elements: oxygen, hydrogen, and example of compounds: water, ammonia. When the same kind of atom are mixed together, they form elements. When the different types of atom mixed together, they form compound. And when the many types of or more than two types of different types of matter are mixed together, they form the mixture. So students, when there is a mixture form, this there are two types of mixture can form. First is homogeneous and second is heterogeneous. So we will discuss about the homogeneous and heterogeneous. For this we will learn some activity to understand these 2 points. So dear students, carefully you have to listen the activity and watch the activity about the homogeneous and heterogeneous. So students, we will take 1 glass of water and salt is here, and in another glass of water and sand or soil. So we will learn about the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So in a glass of water, transparent glass, we will add some salt or sugar. I have take here salt. I will mix in the water, and when I will stir in this mixture. So see students, this salt is dissolving in this water completely. After some time, when I stirring here, after stir, the total salt is dissolved in this water. Now, in the another glass of water, I am taking here some soil or sand, and I will pour in this glass of water. Again, I will take a half a spoon of sand, and when I will stir the solution sometime. So what we will see in the two different types of glass. So students, listen carefully, watch carefully. In this first glass of water, here when I pour some salt, this salt is completely dissolved and we can't separate, we can't observe, we can't identify in the solution of this water and salt. And in the second glass, when I pour the sand or soil in the glass of water, we will see that this soil is not dissolved and this solution is not completely dissolved solution. So what we will conclude in these two activities? So we will conclude that when I am pouring the salt in the glass of water, the salt is completely dissolved and soil or sand is not completely dissolved in this water. So so this type of solution is called, this type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture. This type of mixture is called homogeneous mixture, and this type of mixture, substance are not dissolved in the water. This type of mixture is called heterogeneous mixture. So students, we can define the homogeneous mixture as this: when we can't identify the components in a mixture is called homogeneous, and when we can identify the components in that mixture is called heterogeneous. When we can't identify because they are totally dissolved in the water, therefore we can't identify, therefore this is called homogeneous. And soil or sand has not completely dissolved in the water, therefore we can identify, we can separate this soil from the water, therefore that is called heterogeneous student substance or matter. So this type of matter, homogeneous or heterogeneous mixtures, we will see in solid, liquid and gas also. So solid example is heap of stones. Heap of stones means the stones चा एक ढीग, that is called heap of stones. And second example is heap containing the stones and bricks. So in these two examples, heap of stones, so in this example we cannot identify the different types of mixture is here, and in the second example heap of containing stones and bricks, so in this example we can identify stones and bricks separately, therefore this is an example of homogeneous mixture and this is an example of heterogeneous mixture. In liquid, first example is mixture of salt and water, we already taken the activity, and second example is mixture of oil and water. These are the two different types of mixture. So mixture of salt and water, what salt is completely dissolved in the water, therefore this example is of homogeneous mixture. And oil and water, when we pour the oil in water, we can't differentiate or identify the level of oil and level of water. We can take also, we can take activity again in a glass of water. When we pour the oil, then we will see that upper layer of oil is there and lower level is water. So this type of mixture is called heterogeneous. And in the gaseous state, example is air. Air is also the homogeneous type of mixture, because in the air we cannot identify which is the oxygen, which is the nitrogen, which is the different type of gases. So these are the examples of homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. So homework for you. So students, I hope you understand the type of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture, and you know the example, different types of example. So homework for you, you have to write 5 examples of homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixtures. So you write this all at home. I will see your homework tomorrow. Thank you.